Ever since I can remember, it gives me a sense of gratification to take something in pieces and put it back on the road. Hey, this is Sean with CMS Motorsports, and today we're working on this 1993 Cobra Mustang. I'm real excited about this project, but first and foremost, we need to get this thing washed. We're gonna see what we have to work with.
My name is Victor and I own the towing company. This is a beautiful car, nice project.
We're over here in Costa Mesa right now at IM Detailing. This is Jacob, my boy, that pretty much specializes in all types of preservation and restoration on paintwork.
This car was very challenging for us. Hopefully he will like it.
Wow.
Oh, hey.
What's up, brother? How are you, man?
Hey, good. How you doing?
I'm doing great. This thing looks phenomenal, man. What did you do to this thing? Next, we're gonna move into the mechanical. We're gonna change all the essentials before the car goes into the paint shop.
My name is Ramon Coronado, and I've been working with Sean for over 10 years.
I want Ramon to go over it, make sure everything's good, make sure the body panels, doors, trunk, everything fits bitchin'.
My name is Henry Gutierrez. I've been working for CMS for 5 years.
We got the Cobra painted, and I can't wait to see this thing in the sunlight. It's gonna look absolutely amazing.
My name is Christopher Coronado. My dad brought me in a couple years back, and whatever has to do with bodywork, me and my dad do it all.
We got the car in the shop, we got it on jack stands, we took the wheels off of it, and we're getting ready for the final assembly. Everyone on the CMS team worked very hard on this project. We managed to get the bodywork, paint, interior, rims, tires, and get this thing on the road without breaking the bank. We can't wait to show you how it turned out.